Exercise 172. Okay, be ready, start. In consequence of the short space of time at our own disposal and having regard to all the circumstances under which the order was given, we are at a loss to understand the reason for the delay in the delivery of the machine which ought to have been here a week ago. We shall expect to receive it in a few days without fail. We are face to face with a difficulty which appears to have been in a great measure and to a great extent brought about by those who ought to have known better, and we shall be glad if you will look into the matter for us, notwithstanding the fact that you are so busy yourselves. The enclosed statement gives you our position in reference to the difficulty, and we shall be glad to have your expression of opinion on the matter at an early date. Exercise 172. In consequence of short space of time or on our own at a loss of the machine or of the machine, we shall expect to receive in a few days face to face, which appears to have been in a great measure and we shall be glad in reference to and we shall be glad to have and we shall be glad to have expression of opinion expression of opinion